Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing Govee RGBIC neon rope lights for my gaming desk setup. Okay, so what do we have here? A user manual, quick start guide, neon rope light, adapter, bunch of accessories. Ooh, end cap. I think this is when you cut the RGB. Okay, so let's take it out. Wow, it works. Well, that's a good sign. So this is what a premium quality feels like. Wipe the surface to make sure it's clean and dry. Carefully stick the rope light to the edges little by little. Press firmly for 10 seconds, especially the corner edges. Don't get too excited, just have patience. The good thing about this product is that you can cut it, bend it, it's super easy to install, and hey, looks amazing. However, it's expensive. I just got lucky it was on sale. I wish there was a 2-meter size, and it feels warm. Will I buy this again? Of course! So I guess it's time to show you what it looks like.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of